That takes aggressive intelligence collection and skillful analysis.
We have been spending dozens of millions of zlotys for education of the most skillful managers at American universities, people of technical skills, engineers.
As you said, Mr. President, considerable credit for that goes to Chairman Bernanke for his wise, courageous, and skillful leadership.
Because he was not only a leader of a movement, but a skillful politician. The Constitution that emerged was worthy of this multiracial democracy, true to his vision of laws that protect minority as well as majority rights and the precious freedoms of every South African.